Here's a new 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.